Hi, first graders! We are going to be exploring Chapter 3, Lesson 5. Here's what you're going to need to complete this lesson with me. You're going to need your GoMath book. You're also going to need your pencil. And last but certainly not least, you're going to need your linker cubes. Once you have all of these math tools, then we can get started. Our I can statement for Lesson 3.5 says, I can use doubles plus 1 and doubles minus 1. Let's turn to page 113 in our math books. At the top, it says, listen and draw. The directions say, how can you use the doubles fact 4 plus 4 to solve each problem? Draw to show how. Complete the addition sentence. Let's take a look at the two yellow towers. What doubles fact do the two yellow towers show? They show 4 plus 4. How can we change the towers to show one more? We can change the towers by drawing one more cube on the second tower. What addition sentence describes this picture? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5. How do we know the sum for 4 plus 5 without adding? Well, the doubles fact is 4 plus 4, which equals 8. So the sum for 4 plus 5 equals 8 plus 1, which equals 9. That's how we can check our answer for 4 plus 5. Now let's take a look at the second problem. Listen to the following math problem. Look at the doubles fact 4 plus 4. Draw to show one less in the second workspace. What doubles fact do the two yellow towers show now? Right now, they show 4 plus 4 equals 8. How can we change the towers to show one less? We can change the towers to show one less by circling one cube and crossing it out. What addition sentence describes this picture now? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. How do we know the sum for 4 plus 3 without adding? Well, we know the doubles fact is 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the sum for 4 plus 3 is 8 minus 1, which gives us 7. That's how we can check our answer. Now let's turn over to page 114 in our math books. At the top, it says model and draw. The directions say use the doubles fact 5 plus 5 to add. The first problem says use doubles plus 1. Add 1 to the doubles fact 5 plus 5. The strategy we are using here is called doubles plus 1. How can we use doubles plus 1 to find the sum of 5 plus 6? Well, we can use 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's write that down. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now that we have 5 plus 5 equals 10, we just need to add one more. 1 more than 10 is 11. Now let's take a look at our second problem. It says use doubles minus 1 Subtract 1 from the doubles fact 5 plus 5. How can we use the doubles fact to find 5 plus 4? Well, we can think of 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's write that down. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now that we have 5 plus 5 equals 10, we just need to subtract 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now let's take a look at the bottom half of our page. At the bottom half, it says, share and show. The directions say, use linker cubes to add. Solve the doubles fact. Then use doubles plus 1 or doubles minus 1. Circle plus or minus to show how you solved each one. Let's do number 1 together. Number 1 says 2 plus 2 equals a sum. We are first going to use our linker cubes to add. Since our problem said 2 plus 2, we are going to show that doubles fact by grabbing 2 cubes plus another 2 cubes. Now our linker cubes show 2 plus 2. Let's add. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's write that down as our sum. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now we're ready to take a look at the next part of our problem. This addition sentence says 2 plus 3 equals a sum. When an addend is one more than the other, we need to use doubles plus 1. Let's go ahead and circle the plus sign. 2 plus 3 is the same as solving 2 plus 2 plus 1 more. That means 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now let's take a look at this third part of our problem. The third part of our problem has this addition sentence, which says 2 plus 1 equals a sum. When an addend is one less than the other, then we are going to use doubles minus 1 as our strategy. Let's circle the minus symbol. 2 plus 1 is the same as adding 2 plus 2 minus 1. That means 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now I want you to try numbers 2 and 3 by yourself, and then we will check back in. Go ahead and pause the video and do numbers 2 and 3. Now that you've had some time to complete numbers 2 and 3, let's go over the answers. Remember that if you didn't get any correct, or if you got some mistakes on your paper, then make sure you fix those mistakes. Redo. Remember that if you made a mistake, that's okay. You can go ahead and fix it as we go along. 3 plus 3 is a doubles fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals a sum. Since 4 is one more than 3, we need to use doubles plus 1. 3 plus 4 is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 1 more, which is 7. And next, 3 plus 2 equals a sum. Since 2 is one less than the other addend, 3, then we need to use doubles minus 1. 3 plus 2 is the same as saying 3 plus 3 minus 1. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And let's take a look at number 3 now. The addition sentence says 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. The second part of our problem says 4 plus 5 equals a sum. Since 5 is 1 more than 4, then we need to use doubles plus 1, because 5 is 1 more. 4 plus 5 is the same as solving 4 plus 4 plus 1 more. That means 4 plus 5 equals 9. And last, 4 plus 3 equals a sum. Since 3 is 1 less than 4, we need to use the doubles minus 1 strategy. 4 plus 3 is the same as solving 4 plus 4 minus 1. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Turn to page 115 in your math books. At the top, it says on your own. The directions for the first part of your page say, make connections, add, write the doubles fact you used to solve the problem. Let's take a look at the first problem. It says 8 plus 9 equals a sum. It says to add and write the doubles fact that we used to solve. 8 plus 9 is a pretty big addition sentence. Let's think of a doubles fact that might help us. 9 is 1 more than 8. That means we can use the doubles plus 1 strategy. 8 plus 8 is a doubles fact that we can use. Since 9 is 1 more than 8, we can use the plus 1 strategy, doubles plus 1. Now we have 8 plus 8 plus 1. The doubles fact 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 1 more equals 17. I want you to try numbers 5 through 11 on your own.
Fabulous job, first graders! Make sure to complete page 115. Either take a picture or complete the page on Seesaw. I cannot wait to see how you all did. With that, I will see you all later. Bye!